Good morning, this is Explore Hong Kong at Sai Kung right now. It is now 11:30 a.m. and Sai Kung already get very busy. Many people come here for Yum Cha and also my favorite, the floating market. We just get our seat outdoor. People will bring their dog when they sit outdoor. Oh, 唔該. It's too windy here, so we decided to sit inside instead. And it is expected it will rain today. We have ordered ham shui gong, glutinous rice ball with the minced pork inside. Spare ribs, curry squid, 咖喱魷魚, char siu bun, char siu bao, and also 糯米雞. When you order dim sums in Hong Kong, it's usually categorized into 小點、中點、大點、特點、頂點. Means small dim sum, medium dim sum, big dim sum, special dim sum, and supreme dim sum. It's actually quite expensive to get dim sums here. Usually it costs around 20 to get the small dim sums, and then $30 to get the big dim sums in other Chinese restaurants. 241, 5 dim sums in total. And that is my favorite part, the floating market in Sai Kung, where they sell all kinds of fresh seafood. They're going to put it into the bucket. There's only 2. Let's have a look. $900 for these 2. This is so-called the bones of the squid, and this one costs $30. And put the money inside the net. And these are all the boat company that people will take the ferry or the sampan here to different outlying islands near Sai Kung. I highly recommend you to go to Yim Tin Tsai. That is an old Hakka village where you can see the mangrove and also some of the historical sites. And also visit Shop Island. That is a Geopark in Hong Kong for the pineapple bun rock. $30 for a round trip to Shop Island. And then for Half Moon Bay, that would be $40 round trip. This is where people get the seafood for tonight. And for this area, you can see all the ferry that goes to different islands. And then on the other side, this is where people play all kinds of water sports. This is the very famous Tin Hao Temple in Sai Kung, which used to be right next to the sea, but the government needs to reclaim the area. So the villagers has made a request is that the Tin Hao must be looking at the sea. So yes, Tin Hao can see the sea. You can also find the weekend market that people sell different kinds of handmade products. And this is a very traditional Hong Kong snacks, 糖葱餅. And you can also find people making the balloons for the kids. And that's Elsa. They even have a face mask here, a green face mask. It is the very famous Hong Kong snack, bột仔糕, the little pudding cake made with brown sugars and also the red beans. I like this one a lot without the red bean, but it is very hard to find it in Hong Kong now. They have the sesame flavors too. All the pictures are showing you dumplings. I like these pictures a lot. Because so many people go out for fishing, swimming, so you can also get the swimsuit here, the hat, the toy before you get onto the boat. And when compared to the restaurant just now, the dim sum here are less expensive. Small dim sum is only $22, and for the big dim sum is only $27. Local scallop, $8 only for one. They look very different from the scallop you have in Chinese restaurant. And these are a little bit bigger, $10. This is how typical scallop is like, $22 for one. And the bigger one is $26. Razor clam and all kind of shellfish. 呢個係琵琶蝦，120. Ends up we did not get anything from the wet market, and it's raining now. There is an old Chinese saying, 清明時節雨紛紛. There will be a few rain patches on the Qingming Day, and today is cloudy with a few rain patches. So restaurants are getting ready because it's raining right now. This bakery is very famous for its bread and also egg tarts. So you can always see long lines here. And this is the first time I see a pink hibiscus and also a yellow hibiscus. Usually they are red in color. It is now 3 o'clock and people are heading back to the city center. We hope you enjoyed the video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check out our Instagram for everything about Hong Kong. See you soon.